Algol the demon star. But why is it called that? The Gorgon Medusa had snakes in place of hair. Eek. She is associated with Algol the demon star. Image by Caravaggio/Wikimedia Commons, public domain. Algol is the demon star. What's the scariest star in the sky? If you were one of the early stargazers, you might have chosen Algol in the constellation Perseus. Early astronomers nicknamed it Algol the demon star for its strange behavior. Shivers. When you look at Algol, it doesn't appear any scarier than any other star, at least not at first. But, in Skylar, the star is associated with a mythical scary monster, the Gorgon Medusa, who had snakes for hair. The legend said that her appearance was so terrifying that if anyone even looked at her, they would turn to stone. November meteor shower. MP4. More videos. 0 seconds of 1 minute, 10 seconds. The star Algol takes its name from the Arabic word meaning the demon's head or, literally the ghoul. It represents the terrifying snaky head of the Medusa monster. But why? Why did the early stargazers associate the star Algol with the Gorgon Medusa? It seems the ancients might have associated the star's variable brightness with the evil, winking eye of the Medusa. Find Algol the demon star in the constellation Perseus on autumn evenings. Perseus lies below the easy-to-recognize W-shaped constellation Cassiopeia. What's so scary about it? In Skylar, Perseus was a great hero often depicted mounted on Pegasus the flying horse. In the mythology of the skies, Perseus slew Medusa. Then, he used Medusa's head to his advantage, showing Odysseus the sea monster to turn him into stone. All of these constellations are in the sky at this time of year. And Algol is a known variable star, which waxes and wanes in brightness. The early stargazers surely knew about its change in brightness. This probably led them to name the strangely behaving star in the sky for a mythological demon. Algol is a variable star. There are many variable stars known throughout the heavens, but Algol might be the most famous of them. That's because a demon star brightens and dims with clockwork regularity. He completes one cycle in 2 days, 20 hours and 49 minutes. Plus, you can view its entire cycle with your eye alone. At its brightest, Algol shines about 3 times more brightly than at its faintest. When it reaches maximum brilliance, Algol matches the brightness of the nearby second magnitude star Almaz. At minimum, Algol's light output fades to that of the star Epsilon Persei. Modern-day astronomy has unlocked the secret of Algol's mood swings. It's an eclipsing binary star. This kind of binary star is composed of 2 stars, with each star revolving around the other. From Earth, we see the orbital plane of this binary star almost exactly ajoin. Therefore, when the dimmer of the 2 stars swings in front of the brighter star, we see Algol at minimum brightness. Animation of an eclipsing binary star. The brightness drops when the small star is in front of the large one, as seen from Earth. Image by Wikimedia Commons, public domain. How to find Algol the demon star. Luckily, the demon star is easy to find. Our sky chart shows a northeastern sky for autumn evenings, especially around Halloween. First, look for the conspicuous W or M-shaped constellation Cassiopeia. It will enable you to star hop to Perseus. Then, look below Cassiopeia toward the horizon to spot the dangling icicle shape of Perseus. Off to the right of the icicle is Algol. At mid-northern latitudes, the demon star appears for at least part of the night all year round. But it's best seen in the evening sky from autumn to spring. It's visible in the northeast sky in autumn, shines high overhead in winter, then swings to the northwest sky by spring. Perseus and Medusa from Uranographia by Johannes Hevelius. Image by Wikimedia Commons, public domain. Bottom line, Algol has the nickname the demon star because it represents the head of Medusa. This variable star probably intrigued the ancients with its fluctuating behavior. 1.6K shares. 1.5 Facebook 14 Pinterest 18 buffer share. Editors of Earthsky. View articles. About the author. The Earthsky team is a blast bringing you daily updates on your cosmos and world. We love your photos and welcome your news tips. Earth, space, Sun, human, tonight. Since 1994.